Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another journal with you. So I'm on the theme of romance, love, Valentine-ish, shabby looking journals. If you've seen my little video from yesterday, this morning, I can't remember. I did do it yesterday, but I didn't get to upload it until this morning, or early hours of this morning, the time I uploaded. It again was a little mini what was it called, romantic roses. So I've used the same kit, that's what I was trying to say. So I've used the same kit. I have used some of my own stuff, I think, and the kit that I used is from the Journal Boat on Etsy, and it's called Romantic Roses. I've used some MyPorchPrints, which is the Rose Garden ephemera kit, and if there's anything else I'll mention it as I go through. So the journal is 8 1/4 by 4 3/4, has one signature, 48 pages front and back. It will be listed in my shop, and it's still free shipping till the end of the month. So if you want to grab a free shipping offer, then now's your chance. There is other journals in the shop that are free shipping, and some of them are just blank journals, but they're cheap as chips, or cheap as crisps, however you want to say it. So right, I'll give you the measurements for this. Love this kit. I've done some kind of patchwork on this, used 2 pages from the kit, you know, 2 strips all along. The fabric has been glued on using some Fabri-Tac. There's a loose piece there, I need to trim that off. The cover, the topper, is some of my kit from, I don't know what that kit's called, I really don't, I only brought it out last week. Haven't got a clue. It's background papers, basically, floral background ephemera pages or something like that. And I used that in the background. It's been stitched, as you can see. This is from MyPorchPrints. This background piece here is MyPorchPrints, done some stitching around that as well. And then the word journal is from the Journal Boat kit called Romantic Roses. So there is a fabric closure. And just making sure I'm in frame, because the video I done earlier today was skew whiffy. That was, if you want to check that out as well, that's me working in my little junk journal that I made myself. So I done that spread today. If you want to see how I done that, it's a really quick video because I speeded it up and done some voiceovers. So anyway, this is from the Journal Boat. Then here we've got a double pocket, and I think this is from MyPorchPrints, so is that. This is from the Journal Boat. This is from ARTYmaze. That is called the, I can't remember what that's called now. Build a cluster tag kit, or build a tag kit, something like that. That's a freebie over on my coffee shop. You'll find the link to that below. This is from the Journal Boat. Little pocket there. This is from the Journal Boat. These did have like scalloped like tops to them, but I messed one up, and then I just thought I'm chopping them all off now, because they're just, it's like, you know, if you like if you grow your nails and you break one, it just looks stupid. That's how I felt with that. That's my little theory on that. Some lined paper here. Made some pockets, popped on these. I think that is from the Journal Boat as well. These are both from the Journal Boat, and it's all been coffee dyed. This is from Bohemian Crafting. Got a little tuck there. I think that might be from the Journal Boat. Then this is actually proper wallpaper. Little bits that I had left over, and because I have got some wallpaper kits if you're interested in them. That's digital kits. You can find them in my shop under the digital section. Put a tab on there, just my little oval ladies girls butterfly from ARTYmaze. Pop that in there. This is ARTYmaze from Build a Cluster Tag Kit. This is from Tailor Made Journals. Love that. That's one of her ledger kits. They possibly could be more, but that's the one I have. So here we've got a belly band, we've got an embossed double heart, and the word dream. We've got a postcard, and then just a big index card for you to journal on with a tab attached to the top. Some journal space, page from the journal board, top tuck here, a tag that I chopped the top off of, journal card, freebie on my coffee shop. You get, there's 3 of these in the journal, and because there's 3 of them on one sheet of freebies that you get. And that all tucks in there. This is from the journal box, little pocket. This is a little wallpaper envelope or pocket with some ovals and a butterfly there from ARTYmaze. That is wallpaper as well. Excuse my hands, they're covered in ink and covered in Fabri-Tac. Little pocket there. This is just a little wallpaper envelope, so these are like total one-offs. These actually they're not, because I've scanned them in. So these are the actual originals. I've scanned them in and I haven't done anything with them yet. Been too busy doing other things. Little journal card inside there. That hasn't been coffee dyed, but you could back that or make a little notebook or something with it. That pops in there. So this is from Bohemian Crafting. We've got a pocket here. This is from ARTYmaze, and it's just little fabric bits on there. This is from MyPorchPrints. That is the journal board. Tailor-made journals. Centre of the signature. Some wacky stain in there. Tailor-made journals. Little flip there, and I just put like a little band on there with a little full stamp, and you could make that into a pocket, or you could like tuck things inside there. Then here we've got another pocket. This is from MyPorchPrints, I think. That is from the journal board. That is from ARTYmaze. How I remember these, I do not know. Asked me what I had for my dinner and I couldn't tell you. The journal board. That's the journal board, but that is from a different kit. That was bits that was left over from previous project. And another little pocket envelope type. It's a pocket, it's not an envelope, with a little, that's wallpaper and a wallpaper tag to go with. Double oval there and a butterfly from ARTYmaze. Love just the roses, they're so pretty. Journal card, tag from ARTYmaze, and I've shoved it in that way because obviously the bulk from the fabric will just make that look all bulky and bulgy, that's the word. Another belly band with a embossed double heart and the word love. A postcard, I think that's from MyPorchPrints, just a big index card to journal on or do whatever. Another little flip there, and then here I've got a pocket, a wallpaper tag with a butterfly and a double oval little girl, and ARTYmaze. Here we have a tag and an envelope. Again, that's not an envelope, that's a postcard. Chops the top off just to right my wrong. A little pocket that I made. Another little envelope here with journal card, and that is from original wallpaper. Original old wallpaper. What do you call that stuff? Like vintagey wallpaper. Little journal card in the pocket. That goes on there. Then here, I don't know why I feel really out of breath. Probably because I'm talking too quick. And breathe. Little postcard there. Double pocket tuck. This is from MyPorchPrints, and the corner tuck there is from the journal board. Again, chop the top off to right my wrong. Little postcard there. I don't know what way that goes in, something like that. Messed that up, didn't I? And that is a freebie from my coffee shop. And that is the back. So that is the journal. Like I said, free shipping. Links will be below, and I will link all the other journals that are available as well. Like I said, there is plenty of, I just wanted to stock up with stuff in my shop, because sometimes people go, there's absolutely nothing in your shop because it's sold. Because I am like I only make like maybe 1 or 2 things at a time, so it goes in, and when it's sold, it's sold. So I had done a load of blanks the other day, a load of blank bare journals, so that hopefully they'll, you know, there'll be something in there if anyone's looking for anything. Something, a little DIY journal, do it yourself. So anyway, any questions, just ask. Thanks for watching. Speak to you all soon. Bye.